Hello! While others are using ChatGPT to ask simple questions and daily queries, we will use ChatGPT to make immense amount of money. This is one way in which we can make money. There are many more ways in which we can do, and I'll be making videos on each one of them in future. Number 1, blogging. Let's get started. Choose a topic for your blog. It can be anything you like: technology, fashion, pets, grooming, lifestyle, anything. Step 2 is to set up your blog on a platform. It could be WordPress, Medium, or even Blogger. I would prefer Blogger because it is easy and quick to set up. Once the blog is set up, you can start writing and publishing posts. You can get the title from ChatGPT and you can also get the content from ChatGPT. Don't directly go and ask ChatGPT to write an entire blog post for you. It can do that, but I would not suggest you to do that because you can get a way better blog post by just digging a little deeper. So take your niche, ask ChatGPT for some ideas on that niche. For example, if your niche is technology, ask ChatGPT to give some ideas for a blog post based on technology, and then it'll give you some titles. Then take that title, for example, The Rise of AI. You can ask it to give an outline of a blog post titled The Rise of AI. The outline will have something like intro, first prompt, second prompt, third prompt, and then conclusion. Then you can say, write an intro to a blog post titled The Rise of AI. And similarly, you can go with the first prompt, second prompt, and so on. That's how you get an entire blog post out of just one title. You can ask ChatGPT itself to add humor to your content and to split it into points or to even structure it in a specific way. Using ChatGPT, you can easily write many blog posts in a short period of time. So try to write as many blog posts as possible in a very specific niche so that Google recognizes you as a person of authority in that particular niche, and then Google will start recommending your blog post in search results. And when that happens, you can command a lot more income from many other sources but linked to this particular route. Hope you liked it. Subscribe.